The ultimate guide to owning your first Bitcoin. Start investing in the future of money. Introduction to Bitcoin and its significance. Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency ever created by a human. It was created in 2009 by an individual or group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that allows for online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without the need for a financial institution. But why is Bitcoin so significant in this day and age? Well, it is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, and it has paved the way for thousands of other digital currencies to be created. It's also decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or institution. It's also scarce, with only 21 million bitcoins in existence, which makes it similar to gold in that sense. Another reason why Bitcoin is significant is because it has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. It allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman, such as a bank. This means lower fees and faster transaction times. It also allows for greater financial privacy and security as it's not connected to any personal information. Now, you may be wondering how you can get your hands on your first Bitcoin. The most common way to acquire Bitcoin is through a process called mining. However, mining can be quite technical and requires specialized equipment and a significant amount of electricity. Another way to acquire Bitcoin is through purchasing it on a cryptocurrency exchange. This is the most common way for people to buy Bitcoin, and it's also the easiest way for new investors to get started. It is important to note that the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be quite volatile. It's not uncommon for the value to change significantly in a short amount of time as it has done recently, dropping rapidly from around $60,000 to well below $20,000. This is why it's important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. In summary, Bitcoin is significant because it's the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It is decentralized, scarce, and has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. It is also a great way for new investors to get started in the world of cryptocurrency. Different ways to buy Bitcoin. The good news for a new crypto investor is that there are multiple ways to buy Bitcoin. Even for a newbie investor like you, buying Bitcoin is relatively easy and can be done in a few simple steps. The easiest way to buy Bitcoin is through crypto exchanges, ATMs, and P2P platforms. But perhaps the most popular and easiest way to buy Bitcoin is through a cryptocurrency exchange. Exchanges are online platforms where you can buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. In order to buy Bitcoin on an exchange, you will need to create an account, verify your identity, and link a payment method such as a bank account or credit card. Once your account is set up, you can buy Bitcoin by placing an order on the exchange's trading platform. Another way to buy Bitcoin is through a Bitcoin ATM. Bitcoin ATMs are similar to traditional ATMs, but they allow you to buy and sell Bitcoin instead of cash. You can buy Bitcoin using cash or a debit card. The process is similar to using a traditional ATM. You insert your cash and the machine will dispense Bitcoin to your digital wallet. However, Bitcoin ATMs are not as widely available as exchanges, and they also tend to have higher fees. A third option for buying Bitcoin is through peer-to-peer platforms. P2P platforms, like Local Bitcoins, Bybit, OKX, Uniswap, Huobi and Binance, connect buyers and sellers directly. This means you can buy Bitcoin from someone who already owns it, rather than from an exchange. P2P platforms offer more privacy and flexibility, as you can often negotiate the price and payment method with the seller. But it can also be a bit riskier because you're dealing with individuals rather than a regulated institution. Now that you know the different ways to buy Bitcoin, let's go over the steps to make your first purchase. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange or platform that you feel comfortable using. Make sure to do your research and read reviews before making a decision. Step 2. Create an account on the exchange or platform. This will usually involve providing some personal information and verifying your identity. Step 3. Link a payment method. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Step 4. Place your order. Depending on the exchange or platform, you can either buy at the current market price or set a limit order at a specific price. Step 5. Send your Bitcoin to your wallet. Once your purchase is complete, you will need to send the Bitcoin to a wallet that you control. This is the address that you will have created when setting up your wallet. It is important, however, to note that the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be quite volatile. It's not uncommon for the value to change significantly in a short amount of time. This is why it's important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Follow these easy steps in order to set up a wallet to store your Bitcoin. As a new crypto investor, you will certainly need to learn how to safely store your newly acquired Bitcoin. Setting up a Bitcoin wallet is relatively easy to do if you know how. First, there are 4 main types of Bitcoin wallets you need to be aware of, and they are software wallets, hardware wallets, paper wallets, and web wallets. A software wallet is a program that you can download onto your computer or mobile device. This type of wallet is easy to set up and use, but it's not as secure as a hardware wallet. Examples of software wallets include Atomic Wallet, Exodus, and Engine Wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your Bitcoin offline. This means that your Bitcoin is not connected to the internet, making it much more secure. Examples of hardware wallets include Trezor, Ledger, and SafePal. A paper wallet is a physical copy of your Bitcoin private key. You can print it out and store it in a safe place. This is a very secure way to store your Bitcoin, but it's not as convenient as a software or hardware wallet. A web wallet is an online platform or exchange that stores your Bitcoin for you. Examples of web wallets include Coinbase, Blockchain.com, Binance, L-Bank, and MyEtherWallet. It's easy to set up and use, but it's also less secure than a software or hardware wallet. Now let us show you how to set up a wallet of your choice. The process will vary depending on the type of wallet you choose. But generally, you will need to download the wallet software or plug in your hardware wallet, create a new wallet and set a strong password. For hardware wallets, you will also be given a recovery phrase. It's very important to keep this phrase safe and secret. Once your wallet is set up, you can transfer your Bitcoin from an exchange or other wallet to your new wallet. This process is called sending or withdrawing. You will need to enter your wallet address, which is a string of letters and numbers unique to your wallet, and the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin is relatively easy and can be done through a cryptocurrency exchange, a Bitcoin ATM, or through P2P platforms. Remember to always do your research before you part with your hard-earned money, and choose a platform that you feel comfortable using. Also, always send your Bitcoin to a personal wallet that you control. This will keep your Bitcoin safe and secure. Remember also to invest only what you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos on cryptocurrency and personal finance. Also like and share the video so that it can be shown to other new cryptocurrency investors like you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.